Back Bay is known for its historic brownstones and 19th century architecture, but standing quietly along the Charles River is a building that took a very different approach to high-end living in Boston. 180 Beacon Street isn't a traditional Back Bay residence. It's a mid-century high-rise surrounded by brownstones designed around light, views, and services, offering a lifestyle that was uncommon for the neighborhood at the time it was built. Today, we're taking a deep dive into one of Back Bay's most discreet and exclusive full-service condo buildings, exploring its architecture, residences, pricing, location, and why homes here rarely come on the market. My name is Charlie Smith, founder of the Boston Luxury Homes YouTube channel, and real estate agent serving the city and surrounding suburbs. Reach out anytime for assistance buying, leasing, or investing in the greater Boston area. Now, let's take a look at some of these homes. 180 Beacon Street is an 18-story Manhattan-style luxury condominium tower built in the mid-1960s by New York architecture firm S.J. Kessler & Sons, a leading name in high-end residential design at the time. This full-service building, home to 110 condominiums, was fully updated in 2006, upgrading interiors and amenities to modern luxury standards. When you step inside this waterside building, you are met with residences which are elegant, spacious, and take full advantage of the views. Thanks to floor-to-ceiling windows in most living rooms, the condos are filled with natural light and offer excellent sights of the Charles River, Cambridge, downtown Boston skyline, and of course, the beautiful tree-lined streets of Back Bay. Most units are open concept, a combined living and dining area that flows towards the windows or balcony, creating an airy feel and flexibility in furniture placement. In some larger units, a generous entry foyer leads into a sprawling living area that offers multiple options for seating arrangements and is fantastic for entertaining. From these living spaces, residents often have direct access to a private balcony, extending the living area outdoors. Many condos indeed include private balconies, more than one in select units, providing personal outdoor space for enjoying morning coffee, dinner, or a drink overlooking the city or river. In the summertime, for many residents, days begin and end on their balconies. The kitchens at 180 Beacon are typically modern and high-end. Many units have been individually updated with top-tier finishes, appliances, and fixtures. It's common to find kitchens with granite or marble countertops, custom cabinetry offering abundant storage, and full suites of stainless steel appliances, often Wolf, Bosch, or Thermador. Some feature breakfast bar peninsula seating, which is great for casual meals or entertaining while enjoying the views. In-unit finishes vary since owners have personalized their homes over time, but the overall style leans warm and elegant. Expect gleaming hardwood floors throughout the living and bedroom areas, and stone or ceramic tile floors in the bathrooms for durability and elegance. Bedrooms in these condos are generously sized, receive plenty of natural light, and take in great views. The primary suites usually boast extensive closet space, sometimes walk-in closets or multiple closets, and an ensuite bathroom, often finished with marble or stone tile, glass-enclosed showers, soaking tubs, and modern fixtures. Secondary bedrooms are also well proportioned and often share a nicely appointed full bathroom off the hall. High-quality millwork and details can be found throughout many units, such as custom built-in shelving, crown moldings, and trim that adds a touch of traditional elegance to the otherwise clean, modern lines. Some longtime owners have even merged units to create expansive homes, resulting in unique layouts with features such as 2 kitchens or dual master suites, adding to the building's versatility. The 1 to 4 bedroom homes range in size between 768 square feet all the way to the penthouse with 4,500 square feet. Homes rarely come on the market, however prices span between $850,000 and $7 million. 180 Beacon Street is a full-service building offering several amenities for residents. This ensures a convenient, secure, and luxurious living experience. The building provides 24-hour concierge service at the front desk, with a doorman always on duty in the elegant lobby. This around-the-clock staff assists with security, greets guests, accepts packages, and attends to residents' needs at any hour. The lobby and entry also feature a private covered drive and courtyard off the street for pickups and drop-offs. 180 Beacon offers self-parking or, for an extra fee, valet service. Residents have at least one assigned garage space, and some larger units have two. Uniformed valets park and retrieve cars for residents, and the garage is located on-site underground, keeping vehicles secure. Residents can take the elevator downstairs to a fitness center within the building. This private gym was upgraded as a part of the building's renovations and includes a variety of equipment for both cardio and strength training. 180 Beacon also features a common lounge on the lobby level. This comfortable space can be used for small gatherings, meetings, working from home, or as a place for residents to relax outside their units. It adds a sense of community within the building and is great for those who may need additional entertaining space. The association is professionally managed on site, meaning there is property management staff available during business hours to handle maintenance requests and any repairs. Combined with a 24-hour concierge, this makes sure any issues are quickly addressed. For security, the building has secured access with a doorman and key fob entry, as well as surveillance within the common areas and around the building. The high-rise is served by multiple elevators, including service elevators, making moving and daily life more efficient. There is also a loading area for deliveries. Each unit at 180 Beacon comes with additional storage space in the basement. Now, looking at the architecture, 180 Beacon Street is an 18-story tower with a modernist Manhattan-style design. It does stand out quite dramatically in the Back Bay neighborhood. The building is clad in dark, rough-textured brick with expansive, metal-framed glass windows, a strikingly contemporary look compared to Back Bay's traditional Victorian brownstones. In fact, at the time of opening, observers noted that 180 Beacon's height and sleek facade violated the area's 19th century architectural norms with its bulk and extensive use of glass and metal. The bold approach led the developer to famously call it a new beacon for Beacon Street. The building originally opened as a luxury apartment house in 1967 and was converted into condominiums in 1971, allowing individual ownership of its upscale units. 180 Beacon's architectural uniqueness lies in its mid-century modern simplicity and emphasis on views. Floor-to-ceiling windows and minimal ornamentation designed to maximize light and surrounding scenery. This approach was unprecedented in Back Bay at the time, making the building an iconic example of 1960s modern design in an otherwise historic neighborhood. Located at the northeast corner of Beacon Street and Clarendon Street, 180 Beacon enjoys a prime waterside location in the Back Bay. 180 Beacon directly faces the Charles River Esplanade to its north, giving the homes some of the most beautiful views in the entire city. Units on the north side overlook the Charles River, with panoramic vistas of the water, Cambridge skyline, and sailboats on the river basin. South-facing units, by contrast, look out towards the Back Bay skyline, including views of the neighborhood's iconic streets and landmarks such as the Prudential Center and John Hancock Tower. To the one side, overlooking the Charles River, and to the other the Back Bay skyline, is a signature feature of this building's setting. Being on a corner lot, 180 Beacon also has open exposures to the east and west for many units, allowing for additional views towards downtown Boston, the Boston Common, Public Garden, Beacon Hill, and the towers of the financial district. The building's Back Bay address is not only scenic, but also very convenient. It is positioned just a few blocks west of the Public Garden and Boston Common, and only a block south of the Charles River Esplanade's parks and walking trails. Residents can easily walk to Newbury Street 2 blocks away for high-end shopping and dining, or reach green spaces in less than 5 minutes by foot. The location combines the tranquility of waterfront living with the vibrancy of city life. One can enjoy a morning jog along the Esplanade or riverfront sunsets, then step out the front door to the upscale boutiques, galleries, and restaurants of the Back Bay. The building is also conveniently near public transportation. The Green Line T stations at Arlington and Copley are only a few blocks away, providing easy access to the rest of the city and beyond. In conclusion, 180 Beacon stands out as one of Back Bay's most unique condominium buildings, combining high-rise scale, luxury interiors with historic architecture and full-service living. 180 Beacon Street represents a very specific moment in Boston's residential history when luxury living began to shift towards views, light, and services. Today it remains one of Back Bay's most discreet and tightly held full-service condo buildings, offering riverfront living, strong layouts, and a level of privacy that's increasingly hard to find in the city. For buyers who value space, views, and a classic full-service experience over trend-driven design, 180 Beacon continues to stand apart, and that's exactly why homes here rarely come to the market. If you're thinking about making a move to Greater Boston, whether buying, renting, or investing, I'd love to be your resource. My name is Charlie Smith, and I specialize in helping clients navigate Boston's luxury real estate market. Feel free to reach out anytime, and if you enjoyed this video, please let me know what you think in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more videos on Boston real estate, luxury homes, and property tours.